Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Old National Bank's mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Old National Bank's mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in oldnational.com and make a search. The official page of Old National Bank's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login option at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, enter your user ID and password associated with your Old National Bank's mortgage account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot User ID or Password option. This is how you can log into your Old National Bank's mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.